More details emerge about patient number 513 of Bengaluru. Patient number 513 is a 48-year-old resident of Padarayanapura. The patient tested positive during random testing. The patient had no symptoms of COVID-19. BBMP officials had conducted random tests on 23 people, out of which one person has tested positive. Patient number 513 tested positive in Bengaluru urban. Now this is as per the midday situation update. He has contracted the virus in containment zone BBMP ward number 135. He is a resident of Padarayanapura. Let's go across to my colleague Ashish, who joins us live from the newsroom. Well, Ashish, absolutely very scary to say the least, given the fact that patient number 513 tested positive during random testing. Now, does this also indicate that more such random tests should be conducted?
Well, absolutely, Neha. Now, that goes on to highlight the importance of random testing. We had a lot of leaders also talking about the importance of random testing across the country because of the fact that the biggest factor that has actually been driving the discussion about random testing is the fact that most of the cases that are being reported are in fact asymptomatic. So that goes on to show that you might have a person with COVID-19 walking well past you, but you might have no idea about it just because of the fact that that person is not showing symptoms, and that could be the biggest way the COVID-19 thing would spread in India. So that is the fear that the authorities had, and that is why you had the random testings being started all across the city. In fact, you had 23 random tests done on Sunday and then 93 random tests done on Monday. Out of these 23 tests, the ones that were done on Sunday, this one person has tested positive today, patient number 513. He was part of those 23 people who were randomly tested from Padarayanapura on Sunday. So goes on to show that the strategy that initially was being applied, that the primary and the secondary contacts were kept under quarantine, people displaying symptoms were tested for COVID-19, and then you had the results coming out and people testing positive or negative, or going ahead with the tally. That is the strategy that was being used all this while. But now clearly it has come to light that a lot of people who are testing positive are asymptomatic, and that is why you had in fact a lot of people coming out and demanding for random testing, because that could in fact throw up clusters which are still not coming to the fore. In fact, you could have a place where there is a rampant spread of coronavirus, but it would not come out into the open because of the fact that nobody is showing any symptoms. So what random testing would actually do is that even if you have one person from there being randomly tested and he tests positive, that would immediately alert authorities, and they would go there, make sure that all other people are also tested, and that would expose in case there is any cluster or a small group of people that have been infected by the virus, and in turn preventing the further spread of virus. So this is the strategy that a lot of other countries also have used as far as random testing is concerned, and clearly that is being used in Bengaluru at the moment, and one person has tested positive. Someone who had absolutely no symptoms of COVID-19 was walking around freely, because neither was he a primary or the secondary contact. That is something that is that is yet to come to light. There was no idea about how exactly he could actually catch the virus. He was just randomly tested and he's tested positive. Goes on to show how many other people could possibly be walking around the city without having a clue whatsoever that they could possibly be carrying the deadly pandemic, and only random testing could actually throw up the actual figures or the hidden clusters that would be buried in some part of the city. Yeah.